Trubor Nagashlam Jong Nongsan Hima.
MLA ka Mawryngkneng uba Stone Kharpran. Ulabu Jingkeli Menteri Ketenat Home Police uba Prestone Song haka dorbar mang tingka ke balayat sausngi menta halor ke Jingslem ke Jingbu ya ke Emergency and Fire Service Station Mawryngkneng. Uba Prestone Song haba jubab ya ke Jingkeli ulaong bakadaw ba Jingslem banbo ya ke Fire and Service Station Mawryngkneng kadena mar ke Jingslem banyo ya ke Jaka. Ulayat hu badangsyan ke sorkar jela kalayo banthiet ya ke Jaka ke bahe kumba ar 1000 square feet haka baka DC kala IT ya ke Ketenat Home Police Batsyan an sayo ban penkre ya ke DPR ban yo ban shnano ya ke office jong ke Fire and Service Station. Hak bede ba kini unong yalam kaliang persya apo yang darbar thawan u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulabu jingkeli bahatu ke jingtmu ban bo ki Emergency and Fire Service Station hamana ki Jaka kade bante laka mi ki jingjia plu klau bat na e ke sorkar jela ke penut hak ban temu ban bo ki Fire Service Station hamana ki Jaka uba Prestone ula jubab baya kini la penut na ke platingka jong ke sorkar jela bat ke jingtmu ban bo ki Fire Service Station kade na mar bante laka mi ki jingjia plu klau haman la ki Jaka kumjuru u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong baya kum kini ki jingtmu de ban penankam da ke pisa na ke State Disaster Mitigation Fund om ban chupan na ke sorkar India.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question number 29. Sir, the matter is under process.
Kharpran, your
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Teaching Minister in charge of Home why this project of installation of emergency and fire service station Mawryngkneng is getting delayed. It's long overdue, sir. Last session also I raised this matter. For the last few years, just 2 years, so many fire incidents have taken place in your area. Just last December also, on the 19th December 24, 2nd December 24, two fire incidents that have occurred in our area at Kut and Puryang village. So why this project is getting delayed, sir?
Sir, one of the reasons that the proposed fire service station that could not be established was because of the land issue. So I'm happy to inform the honourable member from Mawryngkneng constituency. Recently, government has taken over the land. And the total area is about 22,000 square feet. And we have just taken over, and the DC has already handed over to Home Police. And very soon we are going to prepare DPR for construction of the office building of the fire service station. And once that is completed, sir, the station fire service station will be ultimately operationalized.
Sir,
yes, coach.
when do we expect to start that project, sir?
Sir, I have already replied. Now the engineering wing of Home Police will immediately prepare the DPR. So once the DPR is prepared, then we will move for necessary sanction, and thereafter work will take place, sir.
Sir, please expedite the process, sir. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Mukul.
Mr. Speaker, sir, this issue of having appropriate emergency and fire service station at different places, may I know from Honorable Deputy CM whether this particular concern is being taken on priority basis based on what we are seeing as of now, the wild forest fire and many other things. We keep on getting this report of, and there's a fund. So may I know from the Honorable Deputy CM which fund they would like to utilize for this purpose?
This fund will be from the state fund only, sir. And point number 2, as asked by the Honorable LO, sir, yes, the priority is being considered because we have seen it nowadays, the wildfire takes place everywhere. So we would like to set up fire service station every places which is needed. And this issue is being prioritized by the government, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy CM whether, as per the mandate of the law, whether the government want to utilize the fund which is available with the state government under the State Disaster Mitigation Fund.
Yes, sir. If necessary, this can be also considered.
Mr. Speaker, sir, why I'm suggesting this, I'm asking as well as suggesting, is because the fund under SDRF cannot be utilized for any other purpose other than those scope of works which is covered under the mandate of the Disaster Management Act 2005. We have fund. So for the purpose of this particular scope of initiative and intervention by the government, I think this fund under State Disaster Mitigation Fund must be utilized. Only when you exhaust, then you can ask the Government of India. We'll end up not being able to ask Government of India because we never exhausted our fund which is available with the state government, which cannot be utilized for any other purpose. So may I therefore request the Honorable Deputy CM to examine this matter vis-a-vis the availability of fund under State Disaster Mitigation Fund and utilize it, because there are many more other areas which I am sure the government must be looking at to establish this particular emergency fire service station, keeping in mind the kind of challenges that we are confronted by.
Yes, sir. Point noted, sir.